Hi guys, welcome back to 375 Dance Studio. My name's Amanda and today we are doing a 20-minute full body salsa workout. Alrighty guys, we have 5 salsa songs and 1 Roomba cool down. We are going to start off by showing you guys quickly the routine, and with each song we are going to work and focus on a different body part. This song is arms. Get ready. And 5, 6, 7, here we go. Forward. Side. Back. Side. Forward. Side. Back. This is the last side. We're gonna cross it over. Then we're gonna bring it back. We're gonna cross it over and bring it back and get ready for your tap. Five, 6, 7, here we go. We go cross, side, cross, side, cross. Good. All right, let's bring it back to the beginning and start thinking about our arms. We're just gonna hold them up. We're gonna think elbows. Elbows up. Very good. Back. Side. Here we go. We're gonna open. Open, open, open. Again. Open, 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 open. Do it again. Open, 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 open. Open and step and tap. Go. You can keep your arms up. Very good. And very good. Use your elbows. Elbows, keep them up. Very good. Use those arms. And forward. Side. Back. Side. Do it again. For me, this is much more restricted in this movement. Small arm movements. We're gonna cross. Open. Back. Very good. This is the last time. Back. Step and tap. 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 And very good. Use your arms. Get them moving. And hold them. Back. Side. Very good. Forward. Side. Back. And side. Get ready. And open. 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 Open again, open, 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 and done. Alrighty guys, we are moving down to our next body part, which is our chest. We are going to be using our sides, our ribs, in coordination to the rest of our body parts. Let's feel that. We need a little bit of chewiness, flexibility there. 5, 6, 7, here we go. Forward, side, back, side. Very good. Forward, side, back, side. We're gonna cross it. Go. Cross. Cross, back, here we go, in, think about the chest going in, and flexible, very good, and back to that beginning, it again. Back. Side. Cross it over. Go. Again. And here we go. In. Very good. And flexible. Last one. Very good, guys. Woo. If you're starting to feel that cramp, that's okay. I am too. Keep breathing in through your nose, out of your mouth. Get ready. Keep it up. We're almost there, guys. And here we go. Forward, side, and back. Finish it out. Side, side. Very good. Alrighty, guys. We are moving on down to our hips. We want to feel the roundness and the coordination of how we circle those hips. Get ready? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Very good, guys. And to the side. And forward. Bring it back. Here we go. Using that lower half. Get those hips working. Very good. And back to that beginning. Side. Back. Side. Do it again. And cross. And back. And here we go. 5, 6, 7, here we go. Very good. Keep it doing circles. And here we go, forward. Side. Back. Side. Repeat. Here we go. Cross. Taps. And very good. Alrighty, it is time to continue moving down the body, and we are going to focus on those knees. We're going to focus on how we coordinate, how we manipulate, how we articulate those knees, bending and straightening. Get ready. And forward, forward, side, back, Very good. Do it again. We're gonna cross. Very good. Get those knees working. We're gonna tap. Here we go. You gotta keep them light and soft here so you can move fast. And how you push and use the ground. Keep going. Very good. Last side, we're gonna cross it over. Knees back. Use that ground and taps. As I said before, you gotta keep it light here so you can move fast. And very good, guys. And back to that beginning. Very good. Do it again. We're gonna cross. Now bring it back. And again. Taps. Very good. And one more time. Bring it back to that beginning. Very good. Back. Don't lose focus. Keep up that knee. Back. Side. And done. Alrighty, guys. It is our final salsa song, and we are moving down to our last body part, and that is our feet. We're going to really feel the ground. With every little toe that you have, I want you to feel that ground. Get ready. Here we go. And 5, 6, 7, go. Using the ground. Again. Very good. We're gonna cross. Bring it back. Think about how you're stepping with that foot. Are your feet turned in or are they turned out? Are you stepping with the inside edges with those feet? Very good. Keep it up. And here we go. We're gonna step and tap. Feel those feet turned out. Light on the ground. Up on the toes. Very good. And here we go. Very good. Keep it up, guys. Let's cross it. Lay cross. Delicate on the feet. Breathe in through your nose and out of your mouth. Very good, guys. We're almost there. We're almost there with our cool down. You can do it. Step and tap. And very good. Alrighty, guys. It is time for a Roomba cool down. Breathe in through your nose and out of your mouth. You did a great job today. Full body workout. Get ready. We're gonna put our feet together and we're just gonna switch through our feet. We're gonna go slow, quick, quick, 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 slow. We're gonna do a box back, forward, back, forward. Shake your arms out. Very good. Keep this up. Get ready. We're gonna go to the side. Switch. And back to the box. Very good. We're gonna do some crossovers. Here we go. Very good. Last one, we're gonna do side and together because we're going back to the box. Side, fifth position breaks. The last one, together and together. Back to the box. Very good, guys. Alrighty, guys, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.